Here's how we make our 4th grade ocean sunsets. We start with a 9 by 12 inch sheet of white paper. Students research images of different ocean creatures that are jumping out of the water. They can pick from an orca, a dolphin, a whale. They could even create a boat. They then decide if they want to add mountains in the background as well. We then use alcohol markers to create our sunset. We start with a light blue alcohol marker and work in the corner. It's best to start with light colors and then build the darker colors on top of it. Next, we grab pink and create little wispy, feathery lines. We then continue to add color with peach. I'm overlapping a little bit on the blue to create another color. Our sunset doesn't have to be perfect. We're creating organic shapes with our different colors. We want it to look more abstract. Next, I grab another pink and continue adding color, working around my mountains. I'm going to grab that peach again and overlap on top of the pink. Next, I'm going to use a rusty color to add some more wispy, feathery lines. These lines don't have to look exactly like mine. I then add some more details with that rust color. I then get a yellow to add more of that abstract color in. I continue to add more colors, including this light pink. Remember, you can overlap colors to blend. Next, I grab a light teal color. Now, you could use a green or a blue for this as well. It's up to you what colors you're picking. The sunset is full of all different colors. I'm going to continue filling in my sunset with different oranges and peaches and blues. I wait till the last colors to add the dark ones in. Next, we start working on the water reflection. I'm going to use the fine tip of a yellow to create some wavy lines. Now, these lines don't have to be perfect and they're more scribbly. I then switch over to a light pink color to start adding some color in. Remember, we're starting light and then we'll add darks later. So I add a light blue in next. Our colors should look abstract and organic, so they're not perfect. I then come in with a hot pink color. Your lines should be free-flowing. Don't try to make them perfect. I then add some oranges and some purples using the fine tip of the marker. Then we're going to add some dark blues that are the same as the sky. See how my lines are kind of scribbly? That makes them look like the water's moving. Next, I'm going to come back in and add any little details to make my sunset and my water look better. Lastly, we color our animal and our mountains. I have students look at their picture of their animal again to see what color it needs to be. They can experiment with adding shadows and highlights to their animal. We then come back to the water around our animal where it's splashing to add some dark blues and whites around the animal. So leave the white part blank. For our mountains, we just pick a dark color to create a silhouette. And here's our finished 4th grade ocean sunsets.